ZX Limited has made purchase worth US dollar 80,000 on 1st of May 2020, which it has made for which it has to make payment on 1st of November 2020. So those two are favorite dates, 1st of May and 1st of November. The present exchange rate is 75 rupees per dollar. The company can purchase the forward dollar at the rate of 74 rupees per United States dollar. The company will have to make upfront premium 1% of the forward amount purchased. The cost of the funds to ZX is 10% per annum. The company can hedge its position with the following expected rate for United States dollar in foreign exchange market on 1st of May 2020. The exchange rate probability is provided to us. So this is the probability and this is the expected spot exchange rate. There are 15% chances it will be 77, 25% chances it will be 71 and so on. You are required to advise a company for a suitable cover for the risk. That is the question. Everybody please go through the question first of all. So dear students, over here basically we are required to take a decision whether to enter into the forward contract or not. If at all we enter into the forward contract, then in that case we are required to make payment of the premium. It is 1%. We will purchase United States dollar at the rate of 74. Whatever the premium that we pay, for that we are required to consider the carrying cost at the rate of 10%. So there are three things that we have to consider. One, payment of the premium. Second, interest on the premium. Third, the forward exchange rate, of course, at which we are going to purchase United States dollar. That is our alternative number one. The second alternative is that we do not hedge. If at all we do not hedge, then in that case, what would be the rate at which we are going to purchase dollar? That we are required to make the computation by using simple expected spot exchange rate in a way that the mean calculation will be made. Probability is provided, exchange rate is given. We'll multiply both of them and we'll make the computation of the mean, that is expected spot exchange rate. That expected spot exchange rate will be compared with the price at which we are required to purchase the dollar, and based on that we will take the decision. Dear students, this is a question that we are doing from November 20 examination, question number 1A, and it was asked for 8 marks in examination, SFM new syllabus examination paper that we are doing. There is a slight a point that I want to tell you is this: the company can hedge its position with the following expected rate for United States dollar in foreign exchange market on 1st of May. Now basically, in my opinion, this is my personal opinion, that there is a small mistake in the language of the question. It is basically that if at all the company does not hedge, then in that case, this is what's the rate at which it can purchase the dollar. This is what they want us to understand. But of course, we understand from the given information that this is what they want to tell us. So a few, that is the working that we are going to make is computation of the premium, interest on premium, and based on that we are going to take the decision. Let us answer the question. Working note number 1. Calculation of premium, comma, interest on premium, and total cost per dollar if forward contract is entered upon. That is the way we are going to make the calculation. That's what would be the cost for entering into, that is what would be the cost at which we are going to buy the dollar if the forward contract is entered upon. So the first thing is, dear students, forward exchange rate. It is 74. That is the price at which you are going to buy the dollar. Next is the premium. Language of the question is very clear. I don't think that there is any ambiguity. Let's say it is 1% upfront premium of the forward amount purchased. So 74 into 1%, that comes to 74 paise. Interest on premium. Your favorite dates are there, 1st of May to 1st of November. So it is exactly 6 months. I also have experienced that 1st of May to 1st of November. 0.74 into 10% into 6 divided by 12. That is the way the interest on the premium will be calculated. That comes to 0.037. And so this is the total cost. 74 plus 0.74 plus 0.037. That comes to 74.777 rupees per dollar. That is our alternative number 1. Working note number 2. Calculation of expected spot exchange rate. That's very simple. Mean calculation. Probability exchange rate. Let us assign x variable to it. Probability into x. So here is the probability 15252040. 152520 and 40. The exchange rate is 77, 71, 79 and 74. So 77, 71, 79 and 74. So 0.15 into 77, that comes to 11.55. 0.25 into 71, 17.75. 0.20 into 79, 15.80. 0.40 into 74, 29.60. So it is 74.70. This is what we understand is the expected spot exchange rate at which you can purchase the dollar. So no hedging, alternative number 1, and forward contract is alternative number 2. Price per dollar. In the first alternative it is 74.777. In the second one it is 74.70. This is the way you make a comparison, and of course you select an alternative which is having comparatively the lower cost. Why? Because this time you are required to make the payment. So we understand that, say, the company should enter into the forward contract. Now friends, over here, the amount which they have provided to us in the question, 80,000, that is of no use to us. If at all you want to write the answer using the amount, then in that case, I'm sorry, there is a small mistake on my end. The first one is the forward contract. The first one is the forward contract. And this is the no hedging. Please change it. So I was discussing with you friends that the $80,000 amount is irrelevant. 80,000 or maybe 8 lakhs or 8 million. We are not concerned with that. If at all you want to write the answer considering the amount, then in that case you have to write 80,000 into 74.777. That is the way you write answer. It is 59,82,160 and 74.70 into 80,000. That comes to 59,76,000. You make a comparison and you write the answer. That is also acceptable. And of course, your decision is not going to change. This is what we understand. So we tell to the company that you should not hedge. This is the answer that we write. Okay. So write down one line answer. Based on above working, comma, the company is advised, comma, not to hedge its foreign exchange risk. Full stop. Now we have taken a decision not to hedge. My question to all of you is that what do you think that definitely this decision will prove to be correct only, or there are chances that this decision may prove to be incorrect? In which situation this decision will prove to be incorrect? I want you to answer that. Yes, everybody answered very correctly that sir, our decision will prove to be incorrect if at all actual spot exchange rate will be more than 74.777. Yes, on 1st of November when we are going to buy the dollar, and if at all the spot exchange rate is exceeding this, then in that case our decision will prove to be incorrect in a way that the dollar will be more expensive. However, this is the inherent risk that you have whenever you take this decision of entering into the forward contract or not entering into the forward contract. This is what you should understand. See, nowhere over here we are required to write anything. However, the question may provide us that to pass additional comment. Then in that case, these are the extra things that the institute is expecting from you.